How government secrecy undermines whistleblower rights and transparency. Explore how government classified information and secrecy impact whistleblower rights, accountability, and the fight for transparency in today's world. How government secrecy impacts whistleblower rights. You know, it's wild how much goes on behind the scenes in the government that most of us never get to hear about. I mean, there's that whole world of government classified information and government document secrecy that's designed to keep things under wraps for national security reasons. But here's the kicker. All this secrecy can really mess with whistleblower rights in some pretty serious ways. Think about it. Whistleblowers are those brave folks who decide to speak up when they see something wrong happening inside the government. They're the ones who expose corruption, fraud, or dangerous cover-ups. In theory, they're supposed to be protected by laws so they don't get punished for doing the right thing. But when a whole bunch of information is locked behind layers of government confidentiality, it makes their job much harder. For starters, how can a whistleblower reveal wrongdoing if the government classifies almost everything they want to show? If the information is stamped top secret or classified, even just sharing it might land them in hot water for leaking sensitive content. And the penalties for leaking classified info can be harsh. Sometimes it's treated as a criminal act. So it creates a huge risk versus reward dilemma for whistleblowers who have to decide whether the potential impact of exposing wrongdoing is worth the personal legal danger. There's also the problem of government transparency issues. When a government operates behind closed doors, it's much easier for bad actors inside the system to hide shady activities. Whistleblowers often rely on transparency laws or the chance to raise concerns through official channels. But if those fail or are limited because of the secrecy culture, whistleblowers have fewer safe options. Then there's the issue of how whistleblower protections themselves can be undermined. Agencies tasked with safeguarding these employees sometimes don't do enough or are influenced by the very people whistleblowers are calling out. This creates a chilling effect. Potential whistleblowers might just keep quiet because they don't trust anyone to protect them when the government's secret policies favor secrecy over accountability. It's a tricky balance, right? Governments argue they need secrecy to protect national interests, military operations, or intelligence sources, and those reasons are real and important in many cases. But when secrecy is used as a blanket shield to avoid scrutiny or stifle dissent, it weakens democracy and public trust. It effectively punishes truth-tellers and shields the people in power. One interesting way fiction captures this tension is in Hush, a psychological thriller of alien manipulation and deep state deceit. This novel spins a gripping tale about government secrecy and manipulation, intertwined with alien conspiracy elements that really get you thinking about where secrecy can lead if left unchecked. It's a fascinating read for anyone intrigued by how complex and dangerous government confidentiality and secret policies can become when misused. If you love thrilling stories with a sharp political edge that make you question what's going on behind closed doors, you should definitely check it out. You can buy now in ebook, print, or audio and really get lost in the suspenseful world of Hush. Back in the real world, it's crucial for citizens to push for better government transparency and stronger protections for whistleblowers, because without that, the system is just encouraging silence and secrecy. And that's dangerous. Whistleblowers have made numerous invaluable contributions, from exposing environmental disasters to financial fraud and human rights abuses. Their efforts help keep governments accountable. So next time you hear about government secrecy, remember, it's not just about hiding state secrets. It's about the people who risk everything to bring truth to light, and the challenges they face under the heavy shadow of government information secrecy. It's a call for all of us to care about how these systems work, and to demand the right balance between confidentiality for legitimate reasons and transparency for the public good. Thanks for listening, and if you want a thrilling way to think more about these issues through storytelling, don't forget to check out Hush, a psychological thriller of alien manipulation and deep state deceit. It's a wild ride through secrecy, manipulation, and the fight for truth.